How to turn these pumpkins from this to this,
then this. Outline every amazingly awesome. Hi everybody!
Today we're going to carve and
Paint the pumpkin!
we're going to use these materials to decorate our pumpkins.
Watch to the end.
For all the details,
we got these pumpkins from Page Farms. Check out our
Pumpkin patch video.
on our channel too.
Watch more and subscribe. Is it mommy pumpkin? Is it AA pumpkin? And this is daddy pumpkin. Daddy pumpkin. I'm so excited, mommy. So excited to paint it. But I'm painting.
Come on. AA will paint her pumpkin.
Is that mine?
Yes.
Hello.
Paint yours. What are you painting your pumpkin?
I'm making my pumpkin a rainbow. My pumpkin is almost done. Done. We will let it dry. Time to carve.
For carving, we will be using this pumpkin carving kit. It got 3 saws, 1 scoop, 1 poker, and 1 pattern book. It includes 10 different patterns. AA wants this pattern, so we're going to carve this on her pumpkin. And I think Daddy wants... Daddy wants this haunted hat. And for me, I will try. What do you think I should pick?
This one. Cause this one is for mommy. Cause it got that sign said Happy Halloween.
Yes.
Cause this mommy time and AA time with mommy and daddy.
This kit also has a step-by-step guide on how to carve a pumpkin. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go! So, after we carve, we're going to use this. What are they saying?
This is the light that we use for the pumpkins to do it like it can like this.
So, these lights will light up our pumpkins and they will be ready for display. Come on! Let's get carving!
Step 1.
Carve an opening from the bottom of the pumpkin. This is recommended since the top part adds to the whole character of the pumpkin and you don't want to see a line on top when you light your finished product.
So, that's step 1.
Step 2.
Step 2 is to clean out the goop. Scrape the area. Take out the seeds. Now scrape until the wall you're about to carve feels next step is to apply the pattern. Since this is Daddy's pumpkin, we will use the pattern that he likes. So apply the pattern using tape. Make some folds to make it round.
You may also use a transparent tape or a plastic wrap to waterproof the pattern as you carve.
I think that works. So let's start carving.
Now it's time to carve the pieces. I saw a hack online where you can use a fork to transfer the details or the pattern onto the pumpkin.
And we are.
You can also use this poker from the carving kit. Another great thing about this pattern is that it tells you where to start carving.
It's coming together. We just clean up the edges and it will be done. Okay, just cleaning up a little bit and it will be done. Ta-da! It's the haunted hat. Check it out later to see how it looks when it has light.
It's AA turn.
Yes, we will carve AA's pumpkin and we will follow the same steps that we did with Daddy's pumpkin, and we will be using this pattern for AA.
Just cutting that little pumpkin.
Yes, a
And
pumpkin
with
and
me. That's my kitty.
it's our kitty.
If you want more AA videos, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's go.
There's no more? That? Okay, then.
I want you to put it.
Looks like now we're ready to carve. Let's start carving AA's pumpkin.
Yeah!
Here, it's almost done. Just carve this edge last. So that's what I'm doing. Here, check it out. Yours is done.
This is my cat and my pumpkin.
What's next?
Mommy!
Next is Mommy's pumpkin. Same steps, just different pattern. Let's see if I can do this. It's Mommy's pumpkin. Like this. Now start carving. It's done. There it is. What does this say?
Happy Halloween.
We'll just clean up the edges and we're done. And we'll wait for Daddy so we can light them up all together.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.